Hello, welcome to sharemystorage.com. My name's Imran, I'm the founder. Thank you for watching and thank you for using our service. So I'm going to quickly tell you about actually how you store your things in a storage unit. I know that probably is teaching Granny to suck eggs, but you'll be surprised at how many people make mistakes. So you've got your truckload of things, you put them onto the trolley, you've taken them to the storage unit. Now what are you going to do? Well, you obviously are going to put the heavier items at the bottom, because then things are going to get stacked on top of that, not the other way around. You need to consider the fact that you might have some heavy items which are delicate. So what are you going to do with those? Well, hopefully you would have packed them in bubble wrap and put them into a very, very sturdy box. So you can actually put that at the bottom, even though they're delicate items, in a very, very sturdy box, and then stack things on top of that. You need to use dust sheets in order to protect soft fabrics. And you need to make sure that the items are a little bit away from the walls themselves. You need to give things room to breathe as well, because although maybe you'll have a temperature controlled unit, but at the same time do just have that element of caution and move your things slightly away from the edges as well. So the other thing I have mentioned in the previous video is that you need to have a little gangway along the middle of your storage unit to be able to access everything in it. So you'll be surprised that as soon as you close it the following day, you'll think, you know what, I need that particular thing, and you'll have to go right to the back in the corner to get it, which means that if you haven't left a little gangway, you're going to have to take everything out in order to get that. Not recommended either. So when you're using your storage unit, make sure you use the entire floor space apart from the gangway, and you stack things up as high as possible and as safely as possible. Please, people, do be safe when you are using your units. Make sure you cover items in dust cloths if you need to protect them from dust and spillages, and that you use bubble wrap and tissue paper in order to separate crockery, and use very, very sturdy boxes. Please use very, very sturdy boxes, very, very important. You can get them from supermarkets. If you want to go ahead and buy specific storage boxes, be my guest, but you'll pay a premium, you'll use them once, and then they themselves will need to be stored. It's a bit ironic, that. So I would suggest either hiring boxes, and we have a relationship with ecoboxes.co.uk where you can actually make use of boxes and return them, and they're used again. Will save tons and tons and tons of trees in the process. Or you can go to your local supermarket and you can grab some sturdy boxes there. It really depends on what your needs are. Do plan in advance. Like what you absolutely have to do, plan this stuff in advance. If you don't, you will pay more. Thank you for viewing. If you have any suggestions, as usual, please do let us know on our Twitter feed at sharemystorage.com. No, sorry, at sharemystorage.